Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever...
Welcome to this channel. This time we will discuss about next-gen Toyota Supra All-Electric. Speculations about the future of the Toyota Supra have been circulating among car enthusiasts for years. Latest rumors from Japan suggest that the iconic sports car may be going electric and could hit showrooms as early as 2026. However, as with any rumors, it is advisable to take these reports with a pinch of salt. According to a report from Best Car Web, the production of the current Supra will continue until 2025, when it will be retired in style with a special GR-MAN variant. This version is rumored to be the last one with a combustion engine and could feature a twin-turbocharged BMW Source 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine tuned to produce a staggering 542 horsepower, elevating the sports car to all-new performance heights. The 6th generation Supra, which is said to replace the current model, will reportedly retain the rear-wheel drive layout and could be based on an updated version of the automaker's e-TNGA architecture. However, very little is known about the next Supra, except that it could be a close rival to the all-electric Alpine sports car currently in the works. It is safe to assume that the next Supra will have more horsepower and torque than the current model, and could be a bit more expensive. The current Supra shares many of its parts with the BMW Z4, which has always been a sore point for some people. Toyota recently launched a 6-speed manual variant of the Supra, which added to the overall driving experience of the car, but didn't transform it into an exceptional one. If the 6th generation Supra is indeed all-electric, it will undoubtedly create controversy. However, before that, the 542 horsepower twin-turbo A90 Supra is something to look forward to, which is enough to excite anyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel if this video is useful. See you in our other videos.